Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Ford Ranger. First, decide on the lift type, like a body lift or a suspension lift, based on your needs. Next, consider the desired lift height, typically ranging from 1 to 6 inches, and ensure it aligns with your budget. Always verify the kit's compatibility with your Ranger's year and model for a smooth installation process. There are two main types of lift kits for your Ford Ranger: body lifts and suspension lifts. Body lifts use spacers to raise the cab and bed from the frame, offering a cost-effective way to fit larger tires. Suspension lifts, on the other hand, involve replacing or modifying components like shocks and springs, providing better off-road performance and increased ground clearance. Before lifting your Ranger, consider how you'll use the truck. If you're primarily off-roading, a suspension lift might be ideal. For a more aggressive look and larger tires without extensive suspension work, a body lift could be sufficient. Remember, lifting can affect handling and ride comfort, so research thoroughly. Also, budget for new tires and a professional alignment. Once you've chosen your kit, careful installation is crucial. While some kits are DIY-friendly, professional installation ensures safety and proper function. After the lift, a professional wheel alignment is essential to prevent premature tire wear and maintain steering integrity. Regularly check all bolts and components for tightness and adjust your driving style to account for the higher center of gravity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.